The senior men's long jump moves to round 6, but at the end of round 5, Angus Gould consolidated that second place with a 6 metres 97. Stephen McKenzie continues to lead the competition. So, 6th and final round.
Come on, Jack.
So next on the track we have the final of the senior women's 60 metres. From the inside, Evie Rennick in 2, Katie Dinwiddie, 3, Sophie Thomas, 4, Charlotte Bevan in 5, Sarah Malone, 6, Rachel Wadmore in 7, Stacey Downey, and in lane 8, Sophie Evans, the final of the 60 metres senior women.